Do you know if there is oil in your vehicle right now?
Do you know how important oil is to your vehicle? Hi, I'm Stephanie at Kneble's Auto Service Center, and this is my mother.
Hello, I'm Nancy. Oil is just like the blood in your body. It is vital for your vehicle to operate.
Oil keeps the moving parts lubricated to prevent excessive wear of the parts, helps clear the surfaces, and keep the engine cool and sealed properly.
Do you know, unfortunately, all too often we have seen vehicles coming to our shop with little or no oil in their engine. This can be devastating results as needing a new engine.
Don't let this happen to you. Just don't. Maintain the proper schedule for your oil changes. Periodically check your oil level between oil changes, as many models use full synthetic oil, which would allow longer time between oil changes. Older vehicles can be burning oil, and you may not know you are low in oil until it's too late.
Oh, terrible. Well, thank you for watching. Like us on Facebook and share the information with others so no one receives that terrible news of saying you need a new engine or start shopping for another vehicle.